Hi everybody, how are we all doing? I hope you're having a good weekend so far. So today is Saturday the 14th of December 2013, sorry, I'm not in the future. So yeah, sorry, 14th of December 2013, apologies. Whoa, epic wind just for a moment there, wow. Right, anyway, we're back. Smallville has returned. Well, I say Smallville has returned, of course Smallville has returned, duh. But I mean, Alien, here we are, chapter 4 of 12. That's not Superman, by the way, if you're wondering about the guy on the floor there. It's not. But we've got Batman, we've got Nightwing, and we've also got Jim Gordon. So we're back in Gotham, ladies and gentlemen. And Bane makes his first appearance. Bane, oh my god. Bane makes his appearance in the comics of Smallville. Go figure. So anyway, Barbara's is in a rush. She's getting herself. She slides through a taxi to go to help Batman, because it turns out he needs her help. We've got three guys playing, a card game, and they're talking about a character by the name of Hatter. A haberdasher of some such nonsense or something like that. And they're all saying how they got to wear hats, and one of them is saying, I wear no hats, blah blah blah, all the usual. And then Batman comes crashing through. That's the least they expected, because they haven't even done anything wrong yet. But then Batman's basically saying, look, you guys need to run. And then we hear a voice basically saying, the Batman is not here for you, gentlemen. And there's Bane crashing through the door. And they're both having an epic fight, and Bane gets his venom on using nanite powered venom, and you can actually see it, the way that it looks on his skin. It's very, very, very digital. So he pretty much almost puts Batman down, but then Bruce gets his There's an allusion to Nightfall. If you've read the Nightfall series of Batman, you'll know that it was where Bane broke Batman's back, and obviously it happened again in The Dark Knight Rises. It almost happens here. I say it almost happens here, if for the fact that Batman doesn't actually say the word car. And Bane's thinking, well, wait, why would you choose to say that when he said, you can use either uncle, please, mercy, any of those words will do. He chooses the word car, in comes the Batmobile. And it's like, oh, right, that's why you said car. Then he says another word, although when he's finished with Bane, Barbara Gordon storms in, knocks him out, and then tells Batman that technically EMP is 3 words. She's late because she went on a date, bless her, with an acrobat, as opposed to a gymnast. The conversation's brilliant. I like it. And when Batman's questioning her, what's his name, she's like, well, you're the detective, you figure it out. So yeah, it's good to see those two back in action. And we see Jim Gordon, and then what we find, they find the body of a 20-year-old, of a male in his early 20s, dressed wearing the Superman t-shirt with a cape. He looks like Superman from the relaunch of Action Comics, and then it starts to throw questions, and this is in Gotham, okay, remember that. And because Superman has announced that he is an alien from another planet, it looks like there are people that may well be targeting people who might be wearing the Superman costume, not realizing that they are actually human. But then they're thinking, well, you're wearing that S in the name of an alien, of someone who's not one of us, therefore you're a traitor, kind of thing. So that's what it seems like. That's my theory anyway. We'll see what happens as the story progresses. But then we're back in Metropolis. We've got Chloe at the Daily Planet with Lois. Chloe is really thinking hard here about something. We just see her looking out the window of the Daily Planet, and she's got a lot on her mind by the looks of things. She really, really has a lot on her mind. But Lois arrives with some good news, in that how Chloe was after, that because Chloe said that she's bored, she's looking for low impact hero-like experience, and then that's when Lois presents the fact that they are both going to Gotham. Now that's where it ends, and that kind of ending sort of excites me, in that they're going to go to Gotham to investigate this this killing of a guy wearing a Superman costume. Batman and Nightwing will be able to sort it out, but I suppose at the same time, no one knows Superman better than Lois Lane, and no one knows Clark Kent better than both Lois Lane and Chloe Sullivan as well. So it'll be interesting to see what they can come up with and what they can find on their way, and as they are going, or when they get to Gotham. Don't forget, obviously, at the same time, Clark and Lex are possibly now in Russia to look at this satellite crash. Satellite crash. We know it's not a satellite, but the monitor got captured, so we'll see where that one takes us. But I'm intrigued to see what happens in this particular segment of Alien, because it's interesting that Batman's getting involved, and especially on his home turf. Batman doesn't like it when things drop on his home turf. He doesn't like it. When things like that drop on his home turf, he really thinks, right, who the hell is it this time? What's happened? So, yeah. But anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing what next week's chapter says. Can't wait to read it. Looking forward to it as always. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I'll speak to you all very soon.